Hello and good evening. There are fears over the future of Goole Hospital tonight after several people who work for the NHS contacted the BBC about plans to downgrade services there. The local MP, Sir David Davis, says he's written to the Health Secretary and is meeting next week with hospital bosses and will oppose any plans to close services. Officials say they've started work to look at the future potential options for the hospital, but no decisions have been taken. Our health correspondent Anne-Marie Tasker reports.
It's extremely frightening for all staff.
It's come as a complete bombshell.
It's heartbreaking that services are going to be taken away from us.
The reaction of some staff at Goole Hospital after a meeting on Friday. Staff claim the trust that runs the hospital told them it's planning to close at least 4 inpatient departments. But outpatient care and the urgent treatment centre would remain open.
If they close this one, where will it be going?
They're on about everybody going over to Grimsby or Scunthorpe, and local transport is just non-existable.
Heartbroken because why? Why in God's name? Why?
An online petition calling to keep inpatient services at Goole Hospital was started yesterday and already has close to 6,000 signatures. MP David Davis says he's been contacted by around 30 concerned staff.
They're obviously worried. They're people who've dedicated their lives to the health service, and they're frightened by this, to be honest. Also, frankly, there's a staff interest, but there's also the patient interest. Patients will have to go much further. The NHS is desperately trying to increase its throughput, to get rid of the backlogs, to get people cured quickly. And in the face of that, what are we doing? Shutting down wards.
The Trust says disinformation circulating about Goole and District Hospital is causing unnecessary anxiety for the local population and our staff. It says it's looking at future potential options for the hospital, but no decisions have been taken. And it will be meeting with staff, patients and partners to discuss potential options in the coming months. MP David Davis says he's written to the Health Secretary and is meeting with the Hospital Trust next week, and says he'll fight to preserve Goole Hospital for the local community. Anne-Marie Tasker, BBC Look North.